Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Taat. My major is Nautical Level 2.
I had to go outside.
Me too.
Why you had to go outside?
I met too many jobs.
I agree.
The city is full of jobs.
Rude people are everywhere.
But what can you do?
You can yell at them.
And they will yell back at you.
Yelling doesn't do any good.
No. This the best thing to do is to just stay home. I have to go to outside.
Me too.
Why do you have to go to outside?
I met many jobs.
I angry.
This city is full of jobs.
Rudest the people are it very hard.
But what can you do?
You can to yell at them.
And they will yell back at you.
Yelling doesn't do any good.
No. The best thing to do is just stay home.